Akshita's Recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So today I'm going to show you a recipe which you can make with corn, and you don't need to boil the corn or prep the corn in any way. I'm going to be using sweet corn for this recipe, and it's called corn fritters, and you can also say corn pakodas. So it's a really delicious starter or anytime snack. So you can make this batter and refrigerate it for about 2 to 3 days, and whenever you feel hungry or your family is hungry or you have surprise guests or friends over, you can just make this immediately and serve it with some lovely chutney or some ketchup or sauce. So let's just jump straight ahead into today's lovely recipe. So let's see today's delicious corn fritters or corn pakodas. Let's go through the ingredients. Just few ingredients, guys. So here is, I've taken 1 cup of corn, and half the cup of corn I've just coarsely ground it for just about half a second in my blender. We don't want a very fine paste but a coarse paste, and the other half I've kept it as whole. So this will give you a nice, the element of the whole corn. Now this is a paste of 1 inch of ginger and 2 green chilies. So we're going to add this ginger and green chili paste. Next I'm going to add 1 green chili chopped. This is 1 small onion chopped fine. Next I'm going to add some garlic. So I've taken 4 large cloves of garlic and chopped them really fine. This is about 1/4 cup of fresh coriander leaves which I've chopped fine. We're going to add that. This is half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. Next goes in half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Now for some salt to taste. So we're done with the main ingredients. So now we're just going to mix all of this really well. So you can always make this batter and store it in your refrigerator, and whenever hunger strikes you can have that, or when you're having guests over you can just prepare the batter and then nicely fry them and then serve them hot. So now this is 1 cup of chickpea flour besan, so I'm going to add a little at a time, and this is exactly 1/4 cup of corn flour because this corn flour will add that lovely crunch element. So I'm going to add both of them, and I'm going to add a little water at a time, and we're going to make a thick batter. Something which we would like if you're making onion fritters or kanda bhaji. So we want a little thicker consistency. We don't want it to be very, very watery. So when you hold a little bit of it, it should come together in your hand. So this is the thick consistency that we're looking for. And now we're just going to keep this aside for about 15 minutes. Here I've got some oil heating up for deep frying. And now we're just going to take very small balls like this, and we're going to flatten them out and then leave them in the oil or put them into the hot oil. Now keep your flame between low to medium. We're not going to fry this on a high flame because then only the outside covering will be crispy and the inside will be raw. So if you fry it on a low to medium flame, then the whole fritter or the whole pakoda will get very evenly fried and crispy. So keep frying them, turning them till you get a lovely golden brown color. But also ensure that the flame is low to medium and you're cooking them thoroughly so that there's no rawness left in the center of the pakoda. So this is really ideal for a rainy day. You can just serve this with some lovely tomato ketchup or some green chutney or any of your favorite dips that you like to have, pakodas with. And now once they're all done, instead of draining the excess oil on a kitchen napkin, which I found make them soggy, here I've just taken a plate and I've taken a wire mesh, and I'm just going to put them on top of that. So you can use any wire sieve or strainer. That way these remain nice and crispy for a longer period of time. I found that if you put them on tissue paper or napkins, they do tend to get soggy quicker, but this way you can ensure that they're nice and crispy. And in this way you can fry as much as you want or as little as you want. And that's it, guys. This beautiful corn pakoda or corn fritters is all ready to enjoy. So do give this recipe a try, and it's so simple because you don't need to boil the corn and grind the corn. You just grind a little bit of it, or you can even mash it up a little with a masher, just so that you have an even texture of the whole corn as well as the a little bit of a mashed up corn that is coarsely ground. And here the beautiful fritters or pakodas are all ready to enjoy. Guys, wasn't that a really nice and easy recipe? So basically what I did is I took the corn off the cob and I ground just half of it. I didn't actually grind it, but just coarsely, on the kind of a blitz function, just once or twice. I don't want a paste, I just want to coarsely grind it in my blender or mixer jar. And then I kept half the corn, whole, that is the actual corn, and then made the mixture with all the other ingredients. So this is a great snack, and I suggest that you try it out, and it's really, really nice and comforting. And you can fry just a little bit of it whenever you feel hungry and serve it up. So if you like today's recipe, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by clicking on the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and once you have subscribed, do click the bell and click on all, that way you won't miss out any of the recipes I put up on my channel. So thank you so much for being a part of my channel today and watching this recipe. Do share my recipes with family and friends, and I'll catch you soon in my next video. Take care, guys. This is Akshita signing off. Bye.